In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap eyes in Photoshop. Whether you're a Photoshop novice or someone with a bit more experience, this tutorial will guide you through each step with clarity and ease. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the Adobe website, download it, and follow the installation instructions. Once you're set up, launch Photoshop and prepare to work some magic. Now add the image you want to modify by going to File, then Open, and selecting your desired photo from your computer. It's important to start with a high-quality image to ensure the best possible results. Once your image is open in Photoshop, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and tools as they are essential to understanding the process. Next, we'll create a duplicate of the original layer. This is an important step because working on a duplicate layer allows you to preserve your original image, which you can always go back to if needed. To duplicate the layer, go to the Layers panel, right-click on your image layer, and select Duplicate Layer from the menu. Name this layer to keep your workspace organized, perhaps something like Working Layer. With your duplicate layer ready, it's time to select the eyes. Use the lasso tool or the polygonal lasso tool from the toolbar, located usually on the left of the interface. Carefully draw around the eye you want to copy. Accuracy here is key, so take your time to ensure you've captured just the right portion. After you've made your selection, copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This copies the selection to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into a new location. Now we need to position and transform the copied eye. Paste the selection back into your document by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. The eye will appear on a new layer. Use the Move tool to position it over the eye you want to swap. You may need to use the Transform tool, found under Edit in the menu, to scale, rotate, or adjust the eye so it fits perfectly. Once positioned, it's crucial to blend the new eye with the rest of the image for a seamless look. Use the Eraser tool or add a layer mask to refine the edges and even out the colors. This might require a gentle touch, adjusting opacity and edge hardness until you achieve the most natural effect. Having successfully swapped one eye, you'll want to repeat these steps for the other eye if necessary. Follow the same careful procedures to select, copy, position, and blend the second eye until both eyes are swapped to your satisfaction. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to swap eyes in Photoshop. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to return to this tutorial if you need a refresher. Remember, each image will present its unique challenges, but with these steps, you're well equipped to handle them.